My name is Sam. I met Stephanie a few years ago, actually, at a welding competition while I was a dual credit student at Mar College. I can now say that I have graduated Mar College and I work full-time as a welder. So since meeting Stephanie and being able to participate in the various This One's for the Gals events, honestly, it's given me the confidence to be able to say that I really believe that the trades is where I belong. When I first started welding, I honestly was terrified. My mom was the one that believed in the typical office 9 to 5. She's now, I can say, one of my biggest supporters, but it was hard for her at first, and that kind of made it hard on me. I also was always told that, it was going to be hard in a male-dominated field, and that probably terrified me even more. But then I met Stephanie, and from the get-go, just learning about this huge network of women that just want to lift up each other and help each other was completely mind-blowing to me. And learning about that was inspiring. And in turn, I was able to take that newfound confidence and inspiration and use it. And I was even able to bring in girls of my own. And I continue to help bring in as many girls into the trades as I can. It's really cool to be able to go to these different events, and especially, seeing the young ones with such a passion for learning different trades and for learning different things. It's amazing to get to show young kids that they can be in a trade. So thank you, Stephanie, for always inspiring people like me to follow their hearts and chase their dreams.